All right, time to get to work. Hell yeah. Would you look at that? So, if anyone's curious, there are a total of 14 bolts. You got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and then you got one on the outside and one on the outside. Total of 14. Wow, that's pretty dirty. My intention was to just get this off so that I can replace the gaskets, get this cleaned up. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll take it to a machine shop, make sure it's level and flat and within clearance. But seeing the engine looking like that, oh man, what a huge success. I feel like the project could continue on now.